Oh, today is my birthday. I hope they remember it. Maybe they have a surprise. That would be wonderful. I will make breakfast first. Everyone will be awake soon.
Good morning, Sarah. I slept very well.
Do you remember anything special today?
Yes, I have a big meeting.
Oh, Is that all?
It will be very busy.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. What's for breakfast, Mom? Can you think of anything special today? Breakfast smells great. Is that all?
I'm really hungry.
Good morning, everybody. I slept very well.
Luna, do you remember today?
Of course I do. Really? Tell me. Today is garbage day.
Oh, that is true. Good job, Luna.
This breakfast is delicious.
I love these pancakes.
Are you sure you're not forgetting something?
Did I forget my wallet?
I have my backpack. I have everything too.
Never mind. It's not important.
Have a great day.
See you later, Mom.
Nobody remembered my birthday. That makes me sad. Maybe they were too busy. I shouldn't be upset.
Sarah seemed quiet today. That's unusual.
You're right, Dad.
She looked disappointed.
She asked strange questions. More than once.
Something was definitely wrong. But what was it?
Maybe it's on the calendar. Let's check. Today is June 24th.
Does that help? Wait a second. Oh no.
What's wrong, Dad?
Huh?
You look scared.
It's Mom's birthday today. We forgot.
You're kidding, right? Oh no. That's why she asked. Now I understand.
I feel terrible. This is my fault.
We can fix this.
Let's do something.
Let's throw a party. A surprise party.
Good idea, Luna. Let's make a plan. We need a cake and some flowers.
I can make the cake. Trust me. I'll decorate the house. Mom will love it. Let's make Mom happy. Let's do it.
We don't have much time.
Whoa.
Let's get moving.
Let's start with the cake. And don't forget balloons.
Stay together, everyone. We have a mission.
We need flour and eggs. What else? Is this the right one?
I think so. We also need milk and some butter.
Mom loves chocolate cake. That's perfect. These balloons are beautiful. Mom will love them. Look at this banner. It's amazing.
I think we have everything.
I hope so. Wow, so many flowers. They smell nice.
Which flowers does Mom like? Can you remember?
She loves pink flowers, I'm sure.
Good choice, Luna. Let's take these.
We're doing great. Mom won't expect this. Time to bake the cake.
Let's begin.
I watched a video once. I can do this.
Are you sure?
Very sure? Trust the chef. Everything is fine. Not everything.
Maybe not.
Let's try that again. No more mistakes.
Much better this time.
Great job, Alex. What comes next? Add the milk. Dad, look at yourself. You look funny.
Don't laugh at me. I'm helping.
The cake is ready. Into the oven.
Will it be okay?
I hope so. It's finished. Let's check it. Wow, it looks amazing.
We did it.
I love decorating. Be careful. Happy birthday, Mom. Perfect.
It's not perfect. But it's special.
The room looks better. We need more balloons.
Can you hold this?
Of course. Mom will be surprised. Definitely.
What a long day. I'm finally going home. Why is it so dark? Is nobody home? Hello? Anyone here? That's strange.
Surprise.
Happy birthday, Mom.
I thought you forgot me.
We forgot the date, never you.
Make a birthday wish, Mom. Then blow out the candles.
Thank you for this surprise.
Wow!
It means so much.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
We love you, Mom.